In case we talk about the use case of index and match, then this is one of the use cases. Uh, Index and match functions with drop down. Here we have the list of all the customers. So whatever value we select, we will get the respective scores. Okay, so how to do it? Equal to index. So what would be my array? We can select the entire table. So what would be my row number? Using match function as we discussed earlier as well. So G5, what is my lookup array? So basically I need to select the column where we have this name and exact match. So I got my row number. How to get the column number? Again, using the match function. Basically I need to find out what this maths. So I will take maths and this is my array 0 for exact match and I got 30. So Devin scored 30. In case I'm changing the value summer, it's picking up the correct value. You can check for all the employees. Mary 27, Faith 82. So this is how it works. And this use case is quite frequently used on dashboards. Basically, it takes less space and you get the value whatever you want. So this is one of the biggest use case of index and match function with drop down.